As I read aloud, your job is to annotate and answer the questions. MS Math 5th grade interim assessment 2. Question 1. Juliet is sewing costumes for a party. She bought a piece of fabric that was 1,200 centimeters long. Which measurement is equivalent to 1,200 centimeters? A, 1.2 meters, B, 12 meters, C, 120 meters, D, 120,000 meters. Question 2. The area of a rectangular room in an art museum is 1,876 square feet. The width of the room is 14 feet. Which equation is written and solved correctly to find the missing side length? A, 14 times what equals 1,876. The correct answer is 134. B, 14 times what equals 1,876. The correct answer is 1,034. C, 14 divided by 1,876 equals what? The correct answer is 656 with a remainder of 6. D, 1,876 divided by 14 equals what? The correct answer is 150 with a remainder of 10. Question 3. What is the value of 56,000 divided by 10 to the second power? A, 56, B, 560, C, 5,600, D, 5,600,000. Question 4. A student evaluated the expression below incorrectly. In which line is the expression first written incorrectly? A, line A, B, line B, C, line C, D, line D. Number 5. Scott is solving the equation. Diamond divided by 6 equals 324 with the area model below. What is the missing number in Scott's area model? A, 15, B, 50, C, 1,800, D, 2,880. Question 6. Jung is filling a storage unit in the shape of a rectangular prism with boxes. He packs the storage unit with 42 boxes of the same size with no space left over. Each box is 1 cubic yard. Which set of measurements could be the dimensions in yards of the storage unit? A, length 7, width 2, height 3. B, length 14, width 14, height 14. C, length 10, width 4, height 2. D, length 9, width 5, height 3. Question 7. 2 boxes are stacked one on top of the other for shipping. Which expression shows the volume in cubic feet of the 2 boxes combined? A, 3 times 10 times 4 plus 8 times 5 times 4. B, 3 plus 10 plus 4 plus 8 plus 5 plus 4. C, 3 plus 10 plus 4 times 8 plus 5 plus 4. D, 3 times 10 times 4 plus 8 times 5 times 4. Number 8. An electronics store sells televisions for $374 each. The store sold 1,469 televisions last year. How much money did the electronics store make from selling televisions last year? A, $1,843. B, $20,566. C, $547,306. D, $549,406. Question 9. Frederick plans to construct a cement wall using cement blocks that are 1 cubic foot each. The wall is shown below. How many cement blocks does Frederick need to construct the wall? A, 8, B, 12, C, 24, D, 35. Number 10. Awan fills his fish tank, as represented below, completely with water. How many cubic inches of water are in the tank? A, 140, B, 175, C, 1,160, D, 2,400. Number 11. Which statement is equivalent to the expression below? 13 times 89 plus 114. A, 13 more than 89 plus 114. B, 13 times as large as 89 plus 114. C, multiply 13 and 89, then add 114. D, multiply 13 and 89, then multiply by 114. Number 12. Alicia earns $18 per hour as a mover and truck driver for a moving company. This week, she earned $648 at her job. How many hours did she work? A, 26, B, 31, C, 36, D, 41. Number 13. Bill bottled and sold 11 3/4 gallons of maple syrup at a local farmer's market last month. Which of the following represents the same amount of maple syrup? Select all that apply. A, 47 quarts, B, 49 quarts, C, 94 pints, D, 98 pints, E, 188 cups, F, 196 cups. Number 14. Carla wrote and published a novel. She will transport a pile of books to a local store to give them away, so she needs to pack them in boxes. The book measures 6 inches wide by 9 inches long by 2 inches high. She completely fills a cardboard box with no additional empty space by placing 6 books in it. What is the volume of the cardboard box? A, 102 cubic inches. B, 180 cubic inches. C, 336 cubic inches. D, 648 cubic inches. Number 15. Deb is a cake designer who was recently asked to create a 2-tier cake for an anniversary party. I'd like the larger tier to be chocolate cake and the smaller tier to be vanilla cake, the client told Deb. Please place the vanilla tier on top of the chocolate tier. I expect 36 people to attend, so I'd like you to create exactly 216 cubic inches of cake altogether so that each guest can get 6 cubic inches of cake. Which of the following could be the dimensions of the 2 tiers of cake? Select all that apply. A, chocolate tier, 4 inches wide, 5 inches long, 6 inches tall. Vanilla tier, 3 inches wide, 4 inches long, 5 inches tall. B, chocolate tier, 4 inches wide, 6 inches long, 6 inches tall. The vanilla tier, 3 inches wide, 4 inches long, 6 inches tall. C, the chocolate tier, 6 inches wide, 6 inches long, 3 inches tall. The vanilla tier, 5 inches wide, 5 inches long, 4 inches tall. D, the chocolate tier, 5 inches wide, 6 inches long, 4 inches tall. The vanilla tier, 4 inches wide, 4 inches long, 6 inches tall. E, the chocolate tier, 8 inches wide, 6 inches long, 4 inches tall. The vanilla tier, 4 inches wide, 4 inches long, 4 inches tall. F, the chocolate tier, 4 inches wide, F, the chocolate tier, 8 inches wide, 9 inches long, 2 inches tall. The vanilla tier, 6 inches wide, 6 inches long, 2 inches tall. Number 16. Martin draws a rectangle with a length of 35 units, an area of 525 square units. What is the width of the rectangle? Show all your work. Number 17. Tim constructs Model 1, a solid rectangular prism out of blocks that are 1 cubic centimeter each. He constructs Model 2 by removing some blocks from the front of Model 1. A, how many blocks make up Model 1? Show all of your work. B, how many blocks make up Model 2? Show all of your work. C, Tim thinks that he can make Model 2 into Model 1 by adding more blocks. Explain if Tim is correct. If so, how many blocks would he need to make Model 2 into Model 1?